Hello students, your summer vacation is ended today. Now we are going to start our new session and the first chapter of the chemistry, which is chapter 1, material, metals and non-metals. So you are very familiar with a number of materials like iron, aluminium, copper, etc. Some materials have been given in this table. Okay, look at this table. Object material. Appearances, shiny or dull, hardness, very hard, not very hard. Iron. Iron's appearances is shiny and it is very hard. Coal, dull and hard. Sulfur, dull, not very hard, and it is present in also powder form. Aluminium, shiny and very hard. Copper, shiny and it is also hard. Okay, can you name the material? Can you name the material which are metals? Recall the luster and hardness are physical property. So some more materials like gold, silver and many more materials which is metals available in the. Now we are discussing about physical properties of metal. Physical properties of metal. Just think about, have you ever seen a blacksmith beating an iron piece or an iron article made up of iron like a spade, a shovel on X? Do you find a change in the shape of these articles on beating? Do you find a change in the shape when you beating an iron nail or anything? So let's look at this activity which is given in books. Look at this activity. 4.1. Take a small iron nail, a coal piece, a piece of thick aluminium wire, a pencil lead, beat the iron nail with a hammer. Beat the iron nail with a hammer means उसको मारना है. But take care that you don't hurt yourself. Try to hit hard. Look at this picture. You can very clearly see that a iron nail is beaten by hammer. The aluminium wire also, you can beat aluminium wire also. Then repeat the same kind of treatment. Repeat this experiment with coal piece. Coal means koila. And pencil lead. Record your observation in the table. See this table and record your observation. Iron nail beat. When you beat iron nail, then its shape change. Coal piece, is coal piece shape also change? No. It is break. Aluminium wire, its shape also change. Pencil lead, it is also break. Okay, so you saw that the shape of the iron nail and the aluminium wire change on beating. If they were beaten hard, they could be changed into sheets. You might be familiar with silver foil. You also have seen that silver foil used for decorating sweets. You must also be familiar with the aluminium foil used for wrapping food. You also see the aluminium foil in wrapping for foods. So that the property of metal, the property of metals by which they can be beaten into thin sheets. Is called malleability. It is a very important property. Malleability. So what is malleability? The property of metal by which they can be beaten into thin sheet is called malleability. मतलब किसी मेटल को मारें और वो शीट में कन्वर्ट हो जाए. It is converted into sheets. It is called as malleability. This characteristics of property of metal, as you must have noticed, materials like coal and pencil do not show this property. When you beat, they will break. Can we call this metal? My question is that, can we call this metal? Can we call this metal? No, we cannot. हम उनको मेटल नहीं बुला सकते. Can you hold a hot metallic pan which is without a plastic or wooden handle? Can you hold? मतलब आप पकड़ सकते हो किसी गर्म चीज को? No. You get hurt. Perhaps you get hurt. Why? Try to list some other experience in which wooden or plastic handle protect you from being hurt while handling not things. On the basis of this experiment, what can you say about the conduction of heat by wood and plastics? Now our next discussion will be conduction of heat by wood and plastic. You can very well clearly see that wood cannot conduct heat, but plastic also not conduct heat. You must have seen an electrician using his screwdriver. Now let's look an activity to better understand this. So see this activity. Recall how to make an electricity circuit to test whether electricity can pass through an object or not. See this diagram. An iron nail, a bulb and a cell. This is made up of metal, and you can see that metal can conduct electricity. This bulb is glowing, indicate that metal will conduct electricity. You might also perform activity with various objects. Now repeat the activity with the material mentioned in table. You can repeat this activity with, see this diagram. You can use other things in place of iron nail. You can use iron nail, good conductor, sulfur, poor conductor, coal piece, poor conductor, copper wire, good conductor. So you can see that some material is the conductor of electricity and some is not conductor of the electricity. So you observe that iron rod, nail and copper wire are good conductor, while rolled sulfur piece and coal piece are poor conductor. Now my next question is that where do you find the use of aluminium, and where do you find the use of aluminium and copper wire? Where do you find? Have you seen wires of copper? क्या आपने कभी कॉपर के वायर देखे हैं? Have you seen wires of copper? क्या कभी आपने कॉपर्स के वायर देखे? डेफिनेटली नॉट. So now the next property, first property is that malleability, and now the next property, the property of metal of metal by which it can be drawn into wires is called ductility. First property is that malleability and second property is that ductility. The property of metal by which it can be drawn into wire is called ductility. मतलब मेटल को हम खींचें और उसको खींचकर उसका वायर बना दें. दिस इज नोन एज डक्टिलिटी. ओके, ड्रॉन मीन्स खींचना. नाउ हैव यू नोटिस द difference is sound on dropping an iron sheet plate, a metal coin and a piece of coil on the floor. Have you noticed the difference? क्या आपने नोटिस किया है इस साउंड के डिफरेंस नोटिस किया है? ड्रॉपिंग ऑन आयरन शीट अगर गिर जाए या मेटल का एक सिक्का गिर जाए, एंड ए पीस ऑफ कोल या कोल का कोई चीज जमीन पर गिर जाए, तो देयर इज अ डिफरेंस इन बोथ ऑफ द साउंड. इफ नॉट, यू कैन ट्राई इट नाउ. डू यू नोटिस एनी डिफरेंस इन द साउंड प्रोड्यूस्ड? माई क्वेश्चन इज दैट, डू यू नोटिस? क्या आपने नोटिस किया है? डू यू नोट एनी difference in the sound produced? Do you note any difference? Of course, there is a difference between sound production. Metal sound will be different, iron nail sound will be different, plastic plate sound will be different. So have you ever noticed wooden bells in temples? क्या आपने मंदिर में वुडन की घंटी देखी है? नो. कैन यू गिव ए रीजन? क्या आप इसका रीजन दे सकते हो? कैन यू गिव अ रीजन? नो, यू हैव नॉट सीन. यू डोंट सी ए वुडन बेल इन द टेम्पल. किसी ने भी वुडन की बेल टेम्पल में नहीं देखी है. ओके, so the thing made of metal produce a ringing sound. मतलब when the thing made of metals produce a ringing sound when struck. जब मेटल की चीज बनी हुई उसको मारते हैं तो it produce a hard. Suppose you have two boxes similar in appearances, one made of wood. Suppose you have two boxes, one which is made up of wood and suppose you have two boxes. आपके पास दो बॉक्स हैं, वन विच इज मेड ऑफ वुड एंड सेकंड विच इज मेड ऑफ metals, and second which is made of metals. Can you tell which box is made of metal by striking both boxes? Now, since metal produce ringing sound, now most important point is that metal produce ringing sounds. They are said to be sonorous. Metals produce ringing sound. Metals produce ringing sound when struck hard. Okay, मतलब जब when you beat metals hardly, then it produces sound, whereas non-metal cannot produce a sound. So this is the most important another properties which is known as sonorous. The word is sonorous. Metals are sonorous. Metals are sonorous and non-metals not sonorous, non-sonorous. Okay, this is the third property of the metals and non-metal. Metals, malleability. First property is that malleability, second is ductility, and third one is our sonority. Now द मटेरियल अदर देन मेटल्स आर नॉट सोनोरस. मेटल को छोड़कर जो भी है विच इज नॉट सोनोरस. सो आफ्टर परफॉर्मिंग ऑल दिस एंड वी कैन से दैट सम मटेरियल्स आर हार्ड. वी कैन से दैट some materials are hard, malleable, ductile, good conductor of heat and electricity. So we can clearly say some materials are hard, malleable, ductile, good conductor of heat and electricity. This is the most important property of metals. Material which generally possess this property are called metal. जिनमें ये प्रॉपर्टी होंगी, दिस प्रॉपर्टी, सी दिस प्रॉपर्टी, जिनमें प्रॉपर्टी होंगी वी कॉल्ड इट इज मेटल. एंड द मटेरियल which do not possesses this property is known as non-metal. Now, so the example of metals are iron. Now I will give you some example: iron, copper, aluminium, calcium, magnesium. In contrast, इनके अलावा materials like coal, sulfur, coal and sulfur are non-metals because they do not possess this property: hard, malleable, ductile, good conductor of heat and electricity. Okay. The breakdown into powdery mass on tapping with a hammer. अगर आप इनको पाउडरी मास से मारते हो तो दे आर नॉट सोनोरस, ये सोनोरस नहीं होती है. आर पुअर कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. These materials are called non-metals. The example of non-metals are sulfur, carbon, oxygen, phosphorus, etc. Mainly non-metals are gaseous in state form. Non-metals are gaseous. Okay, now let's look sodium and potassium. These are metals. Generally metals are hard, but these two metals, sodium and potassium, are soft. And can be cut with a knife. मतलब sodium and potassium, we can say that sodium and potassium are soft and can be cut with a knife. और हम इनको इजीली चाकू से भी काट सकते हैं. And there is another metal which is mercury, or we can say mercury, which is available in liquid state. You know na, metals are generally hard, but this is the one of the metal which is present in the liquid form. All the metals are available in the solid form, but these metals are available in the liquid form. And now let's look some important property, and we are going to end with this session. Let's revise what we have learned today. Generally we can take this example. And the most important thing, the property of the metal, first one is malleability. The property of metal by which they can be beaten into thin sheets is called malleability. Second one is heat, conduction of heat. So metals can conduct heat, but non-metals cannot conduct heat. Just like another property is that ductility. Ductility, what is the meaning of ductility? The property of metal by which it can be drawn into wire. मतलब मेटल को खींचकर वायर बनाया जा सके, उसको हम बोलते हैं डक्टिलिटी. डू यू नोट एनी डिफरेंस इन द साउंड प्रोड्यूस्ड? नेक्स्ट, सोनोरस. मेटल्स व्हेन बीटन हार्ड, मेटल को जब हम मारते हैं तो इट प्रोड्यूस साउंड एंड दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज नोन एज सोनोरस. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, some of the property which we are finally discussed. Metals are hard, malleable, ductile, good conductor of heat and electricity. We call it is metals, and the material which do not possess this property is known as non-metals. And now I will give some important example. Sodium and potassium, which is metal but it is soft. Generally metals are soft, but these two metals are soft and can be cut with a knife. हम इसको चाकू से भी काट सकते हैं. Mercury, which is available in liquid state. Mercury which is available in liquid state. So we are going to end of the session, and you have to mention or note down all these important things. And if you have any problem, then comments and ask me. I will give you all of your questions and queries answers. Bye.